Alright guys, this is the first video in a new series. It's getting the ST ready for the track next season, track race, whatever competitions. I want to do as much as I can, so going to get serious over the winter. Today I'm going to be stripping out and fitting a boss kit, and I'm going to see if I can start wiring some things as well, because there's some things I want to keep. So let's do it. First I'm going to do the boss so that I can sit in the seat, and then we'll strip it out and then I'll go to a seat, do you know what I mean? So I'm comfy. So take the battery out first and then we'll get the steering wheel off. Battery's out, it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to start getting this wheel off, start with the airbag, or actually, well, rather start with the trims. And you've got this controls here. So you've got to get in. Actually, sometimes it's better to get in with your finger. There we go, right, and we're in. See it? I don't use them anyway, so it's no big deal to lose them. Right, so you've got T15, T15, and then T15. That's what releases them. So I'm just going to turn the key one click so I can move the wheel. That there is what I'm looking for. A T10 Torx bit. There's a wee hole in there. Oh, there we go. Got it. Got it, right, okay. So, that's the top. Pull it. Now, all you've got to do is just yank it off, which is a bit mental, so let me try and get you set up for it. Oh. There we go guys, I'm quite proud of that, that was quite easy. There we go. There's your airbag. So, when we're going through the wee holes, we're tapping this there when we're going through the back of the wheel, you know. Right, now that the airbag's off, can get a 24mm socket and just impact it off. Just like that. There you go guys, fantastic. Now the wheel's off, I can get the boss on. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to get the boss ready first, and then I'll come back to you with it. I've got the boss on. I'm having trouble with the horn wires. I've not got the right connections. I thought I did, but I don't. So I've got a resistor in for the airbag. I'm just going to fit it and see, you know, if I've got an airbag light. We'll check that at the end of the video. And then I'll get the right connectors and get the horn going. Wheel is on. Not quite finished. There's a couple of screws and a wee faceplate to go on, and I've got to fix out the wiring. So, but I'm just glad to get it on. Now I'm going to strip the motor. So I'm going to put all the stuff that just come off the wheel, tidy up a bit, and then start stripping it. I'm going to start with the seats. That's the the biggest thing, isn't it? So seats, carpet, headliner, trims, everything. Right guys, seats are out. We're going to get the carpet up, see if I can do it without pulling the door cards, and then we'll do them after, but otherwise we'll do the door cards first. Right guys, the carpet's out, what's it called, sound deadening's out. I've just took one of the rear door cards off, and I found some, what looks to me like it could be fire damage. Now, I don't know if it is fire damage or no. It's obviously, it's not burned through, but it looks like smoke, you know, that way smoke looks. So I'll put some photos in because you'll not be able to see it. But I'm going to start taking the other door card off, and if that's burnt to you, then it looks like we've got an interesting story behind this car. It looks better already. I mean, hardly any rust, which is cool. I was worried that, you know, it was going to be rusty underneath, so that's cool. Door cards, headliner, aye, then good to go. I've got bucket seat mounts coming so we can get the bucket seats in. Aye, and we've also got some other things coming, but that'll be cool too. Aye, so door cards. No fire damage on that side. Speakers are... oh, there's no speaker on this side either. Right, definitely something's happened on this side of the car. I need to show you because you're not getting much light in here, but this is what it should look like. And this is what it does look like. Interesting. I found these wires that definitely aren't OE, so I need to find what they're going to. It's kind of freaking me out if it's a tracker or something, you know what I mean? To get this going ASAP. Right, these get screws in them, don't they? Yes. Right, I found where it goes to. It seems to have been going between the brake light, the back lights. It's been soldered in. It runs like a U shape. It's the weirdest thing. I've just took the lights out and just that's where it goes. It doesn't go anywhere else. Maybe the lights were damaged at one time and somebody's linked them up, or maybe they stopped. I have no idea. No idea at all. But at least it's not a tracker, so that's ideal. We're making good progress. I don't know how well you'll see this. I'm making really good progress. Oh, looks to me like a race car already. Brilliant. So next on the agenda is headliner, and I'll get the back seat belts out as well. I've just stuck the handle there now so I don't lose it. Speaker off, this off, and we'll get the other one off and get the headliner off. Doors are done-ish, I'll talk you through that later. Time for this. All the accessories are out, you know, visors and coat hooks and all that. So, right, trim. Trim. Oh! Holy! I feel like maybe we should be more underneath it. Right guys, that's us done for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. It was a good one today. It was a lot of fun, and ripping things out and not having to put them back. So two things I've got to sort out is the door cards, see if how they work, if I take the inner skin off or I leave them on. Probably take it off, I just don't know how to do it now. I've also left the rear seat catches in because I've got a Mark 7 Fiesta strut brace that goes in between them, and I'm maybe hoping to rework it and use it as a harness bar when we get bucket seats and that in here. So this is a new series, so it'll be a new playlist and all that starting. The last series we done was the engine swap, and if you've not seen that, you can watch that up there. Otherwise guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching.